Hello everybody, welcome to Merry Balloons. Today we'll see another design for Valentine's Day. We'll make a heart with two balloons. I've inflated red and white leaving a 10-finger tail. Now we will attach both the balloons. It's very simple and easy. You can also try this. You can use any color of your choice. I have taken these two colors, red and white. And my outer balloon will be red and inner I'm making it white. You can do it either way also. For this design we will be doing a lot of small little bubbles, so we'll start twisting few bubbles. So let's twist 3 bubbles with the red color. So make sure the sizes are similar and do not let go the first bubble which you have twisted, or else everything will come undone. Now we will twist white, 1 bubble, 3 red bubbles, 1 white bubble, and twist them all together, all the 4 bubbles together like this. Now we'll give a good squeeze for both the balloons and we'll twist 2 red bubbles. Then 2 white bubbles. Now we'll twist all the 4 bubbles together. Make note of the pattern so that it will be easy for you to twist. First we twisted white, 1 white and 3 red, and now we did 2 white and 2 red. Now we will twist 2 red bubbles and 1 white bubble. Okay, so we'll twist together 3 bubbles. Another 2 bubbles, 2 red bubbles and white, 1 bubble. Hope you don't get confused. Watch carefully. After that 4 bubbles of 2 red and 2 white, we made 3 together. Okay, now we are making another 2 bubbles of red and 1 white bubble. Now we'll twist the 3 bubbles together. Make a note, we had twisted 2 red bubbles and 1 white bubble 3 times. And now for the middle portion of the design, we will be having 1 red and 3 whites. Remember, in the beginning we had 3 red and 1 white. Now we are going to have 1 red and 3 whites, and we will twist those 4 bubbles together. And so far it's like this now. 3 whites and 1 red in the middle. Now we'll make 2 red bubbles and 1 white bubble, and we will twist these 3 together, and we'll follow this pattern 2 times more. So once we are doing now and 2 more times we will do. Now we will be making our last set of bubbles with 2 red and 2 white. I don't have much of tail left in the red balloon, but gently I will try to twist 2 bubbles, and then now we will twist 2 white bubbles and twist all the 4 together. As you keep twisting balloons, you will learn the technique of inflating the right amount of air, and it all comes by practice, so do not worry about it. So we can still do a lot of adjustments, and it's like in case if any balloon pops up, we can adjust by adding some bubbles with another balloon, so it's all there. So I'm just adjusting all the bubbles in an order, and now I am going to deflate the red and white and attach it to the nozzles. So I'm just giving a small slit here. Very carefully, or else the balloon will pop. So slowly I'm giving a small slit and trying to deflate a little bit of air. And now I'm going to attach it with a nozzle like this to tie it up. We will just adjust the bubbles. Now we will deflate the white and we will tie it up with the nozzle. Our easy 2 balloon heart is ready. I hope you all liked this video. Then please do give a thumbs up and share with your friends. And if you have still not subscribed, then please do subscribe to my channel. See, the last 2 white bubbles I have made it a little bigger in size, so you can see the difference how it looks. So make sure that all your bubbles are in similar sizes. Let's keep practicing and we'll see you soon with some more designs. Till then, happy twisting!